Good afternoon. This is Daily Common Core Review Sheet 8-1 Homework Help on November the 27th, 2017. I'm going to help you go through all of these questions. I'm going to give you a couple clues for each question, and then I'm going to go a little bit more in depth on question number 4. So we're going to start with number 1. Alicia has 2 vegetable gardens. One garden has 2 rows of beans with 5 plants in each row. So you need to first figure out how many plants are in this garden. Now the other garden has 2 rows of cucumber plants with 8 plants in each row. So then you're going to need to find how many plants are in that garden. Then you need to find out how many plants are in both gardens. For question number 2, Jessica has 1.5 hours to take a test. She spends 65 minutes answering the questions. How much time does she have to check her work? Which means how much time does she have left over? So how many minutes is an hour and a half? 1 hour is 60 minutes. And then a half of an hour is 30 minutes. So that's a total of 90 minutes. Now, if she spends 65 minutes answering questions, how much time does she have left out of the 90 minutes to check her work? Question number 3. Jerry built a chest shaped like a rectangular solid. The base was 14 inches long. So, let me just draw a little picture here. Because it's a solid, it's going to be a 3-dimensional shape. Okay, the base was 14 inches long, 10 inches wide from here to here. From here to here is 14. And then the height going up and down is 4 inches. What is the area of the base? Area of the base. Now they gave you some extra information here that you actually don't need. Okay, so the base would be like the bottom of it. All right, what would be the area? So you're really only needing 14 and 10. 14 inches and 10 inches to find out what the area of that base would be. The base would be the bottom. You don't even need this information here. And remember, to find area, you do length times width. Okay, question number 4. Use exponents to write 9,800,100 in expanded form. So, expanded form is where you take the value of each number and you add it. So this 9 would be worth 9 million. But they want us to write this in exponential notation or exponent form. So to write 9 million in exponential form, you would draw a parentheses and do 9 times 10. Then you would count how many zeros would come behind that 9 in 9 million, and it's 6. So essentially this is saying 10 to the 6th power, which would be 1 million. 1 million times 9. That's 9 million. Then you add it to the next part of our expanded form, and you would do 8 times 10 to how many zeros would be behind 800,000? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So essentially this is saying 100,000 times 8 is 800,000. And then there's going to be one more, and I'm going to let you guys figure out what you would do for this 1 right here in the hundreds place. Now the very last question, find 5 6 plus 4 6. 5 plus 4 is 9 6. That is not simplest form. In fact, that's an improper form, or improper fraction. So to change that into a mixed number, the denominator stays the same, and then you ask yourself, how many times does 6 go into 9? Goes in there 1 time, and how much is left over? So if I count from 6 to 9, that would be 3. 1 and 3, 6. But again, they want it in simplest form, and you can simplify 3 6. Don't forget to put your 1 here. And I'm going to let you guys figure out what 3/6 is simplified. Hope this helps you. If you need any extra help, you can check out Homework Help in the morning beginning at 7, and there will be another Homework Help video available tomorrow. Have a great afternoon.